Not all wood ash is created equal. The type of wood you burn significantly impacts the nutrient content and safety of the ash. Hardwoods like oak, maple, and ash trees are the best choices for creating beneficial ash. They generally contain higher levels of essential nutrients and lower levels of potentially harmful compounds. Avoid using wood from softwood trees like pine and fir. These trees tend to produce ash with a higher concentration of resins, which can negatively impact your soil and plants. It's also crucial to avoid burning treated lumber, painted wood, or any wood that may have been exposed to chemicals. These materials can release harmful toxins when burned, contaminating your ash and potentially harming your trees and the environment. Section 5. Applying wisely. Timing and technique. Timing is everything when it comes to applying wood ash to your fruit trees. The best time to incorporate it is during the fall or early spring. During those seasons, the soil is typically moist and the trees are dormant. This allows ample time for the nutrients to penetrate the soil and become available to the roots before the growing season begins. Avoid applying wood ash during periods of drought or when the soil is dry. The fine ash particles can easily blow away in the wind, reducing their effectiveness and potentially irritating your respiratory system. Choose a calm day with minimal wind to minimize dispersal. When applying wood ash, sprinkle it evenly around the base of your trees, extending out to the drip line, the area beneath the outermost branches. Avoid piling it up against the trunk, as this can damage the bark. Section 8. Long-term benefits. Sustainable gardening. Using wood ash in your garden isn't just about boosting your fruit trees in the short term. It's also a sustainable gardening practice that benefits your soil and the environment in the long run. By recycling wood ash, you're reducing waste and giving it a new purpose as a valuable soil amendment. Wood ash helps improve soil structure, making it more porous and better able to retain moisture. This is particularly beneficial in clay soils, which tend to be dense and poorly drained. Furthermore, using wood ash can reduce the need for chemical fertilizers, which can have detrimental effects on the environment. Chemical fertilizers often contain high levels of nitrogen and phosphorus, which can leach into waterways and contribute to water pollution. Section 9. Conclusion. Embracing tradition. In a world increasingly reliant on synthetic solutions, it's refreshing to rediscover the power and simplicity of traditional gardening practices. Using wood ash to nourish your fruit trees is a testament to the enduring wisdom of generations past. By understanding the science behind wood ash and using it responsibly, you can harness its potential to cultivate healthy, productive fruit trees while minimizing your environmental impact. So, embrace this time-honored tradition and let the warmth of the fire nourish your garden for years to come.